So let's make UVs. First thing, we need to apply all the modifiers except the mirror one. But be careful while applying the modifiers. It might be needed to shuffle them a bit so they will not cause any normal issues or geometry artifacts. In most cases, weighted normals modifier can help to prevent normal issues. Another thing is to check that every propeller has the same object data as the one that we already applied modifiers. This way we will keep the UVs same on all the mirrored objects. This means less space will be taken by the similar UV islands. And now we need to select all the meshes and enter edit mode. You might notice the UVs are a mess, and it's obvious because every default object has default UVs. And as we distorted them heavily, the UVs became a mess. First, I would recommend to select all UVs and pack islands. This way you will see how bad and good UVs, but in a more structured way. But let's go one by one and look the propeller UV. It's small, so let's do Smart UV project. And it's weird looking. Let's try then cube projection. Still not good and very stretched. This happens because our model has incorrect scale. So this is the rule of thumb. Before doing any procedures after modeling, it's very good behavior to apply all the transform. Now all is set to 1 and let's try to unwrap it once again. Now it's correct and not distorted. Now simply select all the objects and apply the scale. And unwrap the UVs again to see if all looks better. And it is looks better, but not ideal, yeah? Too much space is empty. Let's try another thing that's called pack islands. And it looks way better. Let's now check how correct the island scale as well as the stretch. To make this, we need to assign material, create the checker texture and connect it to the base color input of the principled BSDF shader. And now let's assign the checker material to all the objects. Select them and set as active the one with the checker material. Go to the material tab and click copy material to select it. And now it's covered fully. And as you can see, it looks good, but some parts are still stretched. Simply select them and look what is the issue. It might be that you will need to unwrap them manually. Especially if the object is complex, you will need to unwrap it manually because in most of the cases the automatic one doesn't work. Just remember that every new unwrap will be placed randomly in the UV space, so you'll need to move it out from the UV space and then put back and rearrange. And when you're done, then let's go to the next step, texturing.